Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install NordVPN on Chrome. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, if you have downloaded the software or the NordVPN software, the first time you logged in, you'll be asked to install the extension as well. But if you have skipped that prompt, well, don't worry. You can just go ahead over to Chrome, open it up. And then once that's done, just wait a bit. And sometimes a pop-up will show right here at the very top. So you can just go ahead and tap on install. If not, tap on the three dots, go ahead over to extensions, and visit Chrome Web Store. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, use the search bar and just type down NordVPN. All right. Or VPN for Chrome, NordVPN proxy protection. Just click on it and just click on get. So as you can see here, mine says inactive because I already have it. All I got to do is just tap on enable now. And yours will be different. It will say, I'm just going to remove it for now. It will say add to Chrome. So click on it. Got to click on add extension. Wait a bit. And here you have it. All you got to do next is just go ahead over to the extensions tab right here. And if you don't have it, again, just go ahead over to extensions and click on manage extensions. Enable NordVPN right here. And once that's done, you're good to go. And that's how simple it is to install NordVPN on Chrome. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.